Assalamu alaikum, namaste, hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today let's make the instant, tasty, juicy Gulab jamun. For that, first we can make the syrup, sugar syrup. Before making the sugar syrup, a small request, who will not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe so that you can get the very delicious, luscious dishes in future too, and you will be the first viewer of my uploads. Click the like button, press the bell icon. Don't forget to click the like button. Then only you will get my notification. Share with your friends and relatives. Come on, let us start the process. Now let's make the sugar syrup. You can use the 4 cups of sugar. Approximately 1 kg, 1.25 kg it may be. Now let us add with the same cup the water of the same measurement. We have added the 4 cups of sugar, 4 cups of water to make the gulab jamun syrup. Let us wait. Steam consistency we have to cook. A few cardamom for the sake of fragrance. To make the gulab jamun dough, I am using the 275 grams instant gulab jamun powder. This is 100, this is 100. Altogether 275 grams of instant gulab jamun powder. In that I am going to add the milk Khova, approximately 150 grams. Let us make powder of these pieces. Till all-purpose flour. Don't add much. Let us mix well using the cold milk, raw milk. I am using raw milk. First let us mix well this one. Then later on we can use this one. Let us add a little baking soda. Half spoon, quarter spoon approximately. Enough. Now see, it's well mixed. Mawa as well as the instant gulab jamun powder. Now let's add the raw milk and mix well. Sprinkle little, mix well. See, like this we have to make the dough for the gulab jamun. See, like this, it should be like this. Now let us keep for 5 minutes for resting sake. This dough for resting sake 5 minutes, covering some cloth to avoid the cracks on the dough. We have to cover and keep for resting sake 5 minutes. Let us check the syrup. Well done. See, one steam consistency has come. Now we have to take out from the stove. We have to keep for cooling. Let us switch on the stove. Let us keep for cooling. Our syrup is ready now. This is a homemade cow ghee. To make the jamuns, we have to apply some ghee on the palms. Then only we have to make. So I am using this one. Come on, let's make the jamuns, gulab jamuns. For that we have to take a small, like this, then mix one. See, like this we have to make the balls, or else one more shape also we can make. I'll show you the other shape. Now this is also one shape. You can make either this shape or this shape, this one round or this one, as per your wish. Let us make now. Now we have made the gulab jamuns. Approximately this is 50. Let us fry now. Oil also well heated. It should not be overheated. Let us add the jamuns in it. Let us slightly flip and fry. It should be just like a brown till it become light brown in color. We have to do like this. We have to flip and fry. You have to keep flipping, then only one side will not burn, one side will not be raw. Evenly it will be fried. Now see the color of jamuns, well fried. Now let us take out from the oil. Let us keep in the plate to get cool. Now let us add this one, fried jamuns in the syrup. To absorb the syrup, let us leave for at least 20 minutes. Now our tasty, juicy gulab jamun is ready to eat and serve. Let us see how soft it is. See. If you like the way how I made, like, share and comment. Till the next upload, take care of yourself. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Allah Hafiz.